best year ever by Cebu Pacific. No? We together we were able to accomplish a lot. We had our very good points. We increased our passenger carriage by about 58%. We reached almost 5.5 million passengers. We're now clearly the #1 carrier in the Philippines. Last year also was a very significant year internationally as we added a lot of new destinations, particularly to the China region. Cebu Pacific, from only 2 destinations in 2005, we now fly to 12 international destinations. And with the addition of Ho Chi Minh, Hanoi, and a few other routes that are coming, I think in a matter of time will be 17, 18 international destinations before the end of the year. More importantly, Cebu Pacific is now the leading carrier to the ASEAN from the Philippines. So that's something we can all be proud of. We managed to do this despite the many challenges we face. I think the first and foremost challenge that we all face is the issue of continuing to manage our costs, given the rising fuel environment. And I think it's a credit to the organization that the fares today that we're offering the Filipino public, despite higher fuel prices, higher the weaker peso compared to 10 years ago, you'd be surprised to know that compared to 1999, the airfare in the Philippines today remains lower than it was in 1999. So, on behalf of the many guests that we've carried, I think it's a credit to the entire organization that we've really revolutionized traveling within the Philippines and now to the ASEAN. And I think that's something all of us should be very proud of.
Hi, Rai. Ikaw ay naman dyan.
Being able to continue to deliver a high-quality service, a low-fare service, and a very safe service to the growing population.
Ano ka? Ba't di mo naman kasi tinuturo sa akin yung ano?
So, maraming salamat sa inyo dyan. I think this coming year, as I mentioned in my letter,
Hi,
we're
Nisa.
continuing to target a very aggressive profit target of about 3 billion pesos. Last year, we made 1.6